Rolling compensation. Rolling compensation is rolling a vehicle backward and forward so that the aligner can determine the axes of wheel rotation. After setting up targets, the F2 Next button becomes accessible. After pressing Next, it is required to roll the vehicle as the arrows show until these arrows disappear and the stop sign appears. As soon as the stop sign appears, stop the vehicle and wait until the software proceeds to the next mode. After that, it is required to return the vehicle to its original position. The arrows should disappear. Stop the vehicle. Wait until the stop sign appears. The compensation procedure will be automatically finished. If the errors for compensation are insignificant, the software will automatically proceed to the measurement mode. Otherwise, there will be errors for compensation displayed on the screen. If the errors exceed 3 to 4 arc minutes, repeat rolling compensation. If it's impossible to obtain acceptable results within rolling compensation, this can be caused by a free play or damage in suspension. In this case, we recommend using jacking compensation. To proceed to the next mode, if it doesn't happen automatically, press F2 Next.